You are going to love the 2019 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, fog lights. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.